Good morning everybody. So today we're going to talk about Internet of Things. So what is Internet of Things? Is it basically the internet that we normally use? To demonstrate further, let's go straight into the introduction. Okay, so as mentioned here, Internet of Things are defined as the network of physical objects or physical devices. These devices are usually equipped with pre-installed sensors, softwares, and other technologies that allows connection and data exchangement between those devices and systems over the internet. Still don't understand what IoT is? Let's look at a real-life scenario of IoT. Okay. So, imagine you are about to wake up on a lovely, peaceful morning. Right at the time when your alarm clock starts to go off, in your living room, your curtains automatically opens by itself. Your TV automatically turns on your favorite TV series, and also your speaker starts to play your favorite song. All of these devices can operate because they are connected to each other through various types of connections. In this situation, it is connected through the same Wi-Fi. So all of this automation, all of this convenience can happen with the help of Internet of Things. Okay, so how does IoT actually works? What is the secret behind of it? There is actually a bunch of technologies being implemented in the background to ensure IoT is working smoothly with minimal problems. So, the first technology being implemented is AI, also known as artificial intelligence. So, as we all know, there are already various types of devices that have been designed to fit their daily human needs. For instance, we already have the digital personal assistant devices such as Alexa, Cortana, Siri. So, advances in natural language processing provide a more appealing, affordable, and viable home use for these devices so that this is more human-friendly. Also, not to mention, IoT acts as a medium to provide the data to the gateway, which is the central processing unit. AI reacts as the main brain to unlock responses, creative solutions, and smart actions. So important. Okay, moving on. IoT are also connected to the what's so-called as the big data. So what is big data? So in short, IoT devices collects the data from the environment and store all of this weirdly unstructured data to the cloud system with the help of big data. This data will then be used to fetch useful information. As mentioned here, the data received can be used to predict traffic movements and home efficiency informations. Okay, the third technology is cloud computing. Moving on with cloud computing is also essential for IoT to function. As I mentioned before, when the data is collected by the IoT devices, these data are stored to the cloud service before the data are processed. Also, not to mention, cloud service has also been used as the medium for real-time processing and allows big data to function without a hassle. Okay, so lastly, IoT also operate with the help of machine learning. Machine learning has its own algorithm, scripts, or techniques that allows computer program to learn insight from data iteratively. With the data collected through IoT, machine learning also improves with the higher amount of data collected. With enough data, the better decision-making capabilities of the algorithm. So that's all of the technologies being implemented to ensure Internet of Things running smoothly.
Okay, great. Now that you have already got a detailed explanation about the introduction and technologies of Internet of Things. Now let's move on to business application. Yes, business application. So what are the benefits of IoT for business? First and foremost, the Internet of Things, or also known as IoT, gives businesses access to advanced analytics that uncover new opportunities. For example, businesses can create highly targeted advertising campaigns by collecting data on customer behavior. Thus, it accelerates the innovation of the business. Next, also turn data into insights and actions with artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML). This is because collected data and historical trends can be used to predict future outcomes. For example, warranty information can be paired with IoT collected data to predict previous incidents. This can be used to proactively provide customer service and build company loyalty. Moving on, IoT can also increase security. Continuous monitoring of digital and physical infrastructure can optimize performance, improve efficiency, and reduce safety risks. For example, data collected from an on-site monitor can be combined with hardware and firmware version data to automatically schedule system updates. Lastly, IoT can provide scale-differentiated solutions. IoT technologies can be deployed in a customer-focused way to increase satisfaction. For example, trending products can be restocked properly to avoid shortages.
Now let's talk about the application of Internet of Things in industrial settings. So for the first one, we have smart manufacturing, where it is a broad category of manufacturing that employs computer integrated manufacturing. Now let's take a look at some key points technologies, such as big data processing and 3D printing. So big data processing basically is to refine, process, and manage supply chains, and some products even have sensors to understand the consumer behaviors and to improve the product better in the future. Everything is so much simple now. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, that's a 3D printer. So 3D printer is mainly used in rapid prototyping, design iteration, and small-scale production. And some improvement in the speed, quality, and material should make it more useful for mass production and mass customization. Bye-bye! Next, we have a smart city. What is a smart city? So it is basically a city that is technologically modern, urban, that uses different types of electronic methods and sensors to collect all specific kinds of data. So with the help of IoT, communities can improve their energy distribution, trash collection, traffic congestion, and quality. So these are some of the examples of application. As you can see, the connected traffic light receive data from sensors from cars to reduce road congestion. Connected cars communicate with electric vehicle and charging docks to direct drivers to the nearest available spot, and citizen phone become their mobile driver license and ID card with digital credential. So, these are the example of application of smart cities in the New York City, and the link will be linked down in the description box. Do check it out. So let's talk about smart grid. So what makes a grid smart? So basically, digital technologies allow two-way communication between the utility and its customers, which consists of controls, automation, new technologies and equipment all working together. So what are the benefits of grid smart? So it's more efficient to transmit electricity, a quicker restoration after power disturbance, improved security, and reduce operation and management costs. That's all for industry settings.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about IoT hardwares. IoT hardware includes a wide range of devices for routing, bridges, sensors. These IoT devices manage key tasks and functions such as system activation, security, action specifications, communication, and detection of support-specific goals and action. Let's talk about the building blocks of IoT hardware. It consists of the thing, data acquisition, data processing, communications module. Let me explain about the thing. It's a device that stands alone as a stagnant device. To make a product smart, the thing is applied in separate products like printers, headphone and so on for it to be a smart device. Without the thing, the product will be a static object. On to the next page. What is data acquisition? The data acquisition module focuses on obtaining physical signals from the thing that can be manipulated by a computer and converting them into digital signals. Can you give an example? Well, to start off, we have vision and imaging sensors, temperature sensors, radiation sensors, proximity sensors, pressure sensors and so on.
父兄や wants to know how data processing works.
Well, Anya, the third essential component of IoT hardware is the data processing module. As you know, this unit performs a series of operations on the data, performs spatial analysis, internal data storage, and performing any other edge computing operations. So have a deep discussion about this system, Anya?
Never mind.
Communication module is a very essential part of a device's hardware. This is a unit that allows communication between devices and storage either locally or in the cloud space. This module can include communication ports like USB, Modbus or Ethernet.
As we have looked at different building blocks of IoT devices, the hardware component is the most important part of the IoT application that enables things to communicate with the internet.
Now, why is IoT so important to humans? Well, to start off, IoT makes our more comfortable and secure. You can get everything connected to internet. Let's take smart house as an example. One of the features it has is a sensor. Just by clapping your hand, the TV will automatically turn on by itself. Convenient, isn't it? Next, IoT helps our society to work effectively. Let's talk about this in terms of healthcare. It has so many use cases such as doctor-patient interaction. Instead of going to the hospital to get yourself checked, you don't have to do that. You can just simply have a video call with your doctor. IoT allows remote interaction between patients and doctors instead of going to the hospital. Another one is data analysis is improved greatly. Doctors make amazing decisions, but computers sometimes make better decisions. Combining doctor and computers can give us the best diagnosis possible. Next is farming. IoT gives us the opportunity to improve our traditional farming method and shift into modern farming to provide food for our evergreen population. Moving on, let's talk about manufacturing. Well, this field is quite familiar to IoT. It has automation replacing many menial jobs. It does not only increase interactivity, but efficiency and production as well. Lastly, education. Better methods to teach children are being implemented out that they are with the help of IoT. A good example is augmented reality. It's used in some classes to give students a better experience of real-life animals, as well as